Alright, listen close, because this sounds small, almost boring, but this night routine quietly fixed things I thought were broken forever. My focus, my energy, my mornings, and honestly, yehi kind of stuff main growth signal P share kardahun. Small signals, big changes. Let me tell you how this started. Have you ever gone to bed tired, but your brain just won't shut up? You're in bed, lights off, phone in hand, scrolling, overthinking, planning a perfect tomorrow that never comes. I used to think something was wrong with me. Turns out, my nights were chaotic. And if you're watching Growth Signal, chances are you felt this too. So I tried one simple experiment, just for a week, and it changed everything. Here's exactly what I do now. Step 1, pick a shutdown time, not sleep time, shutdown time, about 45 minutes before bed. That's when I stop trying to fix my life. No late night productivity guilt. No one last reel, because your brain doesn't relax when work stops. It relaxes when it feels safe, and chaos before bed tells your brain, stay alert. This is something I learned the hard way, and I talk a lot about this psychology on Growth Signal. This step alone helped me fall asleep faster. But the next part is where things really shifted. Step 2, write just 3 lines. Not journaling, no deep emotions. One thing I did today, one thing I'll do tomorrow, one thing that's bothering me. That's it. Students, this clears study stress. Creators, this stops mental overload. Burnt out people, this brings relief. When I don't do this, my brain talks all night. When I do, it finally goes quiet. And right here, pause for a second, because the next step is why my mornings stopped feeling heavy. Step 3, prepare life for your future self. I lay out clothes, open my notebook, clear my desk just a little, not for productivity, for peace. Motivation isn't built in the morning. Momentum is. And this is exactly the kind of small habit I break down on Growth Signal, because big change always starts small. But there's one rule that makes this routine actually stick. Most people mess this up. Step 4, end early. Early. Don't try to be perfect. Don't force meditation when you're exhausted. Leave some energy unused, because your brain remembers how things end. If nights feel calm, you'll come back tomorrow. If nights feel forced, you'll quit. This is how consistency is built without willpower. So quick recap. Shutdown time, 3 lines. Prepare tomorrow. End early. That's it. No life overhaul. No extreme discipline. Just smarter signals to your brain. And if this video hit a little too close, that's not guilt. That's awareness. Try this tonight. And if you want more real, practical ideas like this about focus, habits, discipline, and fixing your life step by step, you already know where to go. Subscribe to Growth Signal. We don't chase motivation here. We build systems. Let's grow together.